Welcome to the video exploring the applications of technology in different domains. Analytics is the process of analyzing data and information to discover patterns, trends, insights, and predictions. Automation is the use of technology to perform tasks or processes without human intervention. Artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science that deals with creating machines or systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet. Communications is the exchange of information or messages between people or devices. Cybersecurity is the protection of computer systems, networks, devices, and data from unauthorized access, use, or damage. Data/database management is the organization, storage, retrieval, and manipulation of data and information. Infrastructure is the physical or virtual components that support the operation and function of computer systems, networks, devices, and applications. Internet of Things is the network of physical objects or devices that are embedded with sensors, software, or other technologies that can connect and communicate with each other in the internet. Machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence that deals with creating machines or systems that can learn from data and improve their performance without explicit programming. Maintenance and repair is the process of keeping technology in good working condition and fixing any problems or issues that may arise. Networks are systems of interconnected computer systems, devices, or other entities that can communicate and share data and information. Robotics is the branch of engineering and computer science that deals with creating machines or devices that can perform tasks or actions usually done by humans or animals. Software/application development is the process of designing, creating, testing, and deploying computer programs or applications that can perform specific tasks or functions. Thank you for watching the video on the applications of technology. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website for more information.